Welcome! In this quick guide, you'll learn how to disable the option for members on your Discord server to send new direct messages to each other. Whether you're managing a community or just want a bit more control over member interactions, this setting helps reduce unwanted private messages and keeps communication inside the server channels. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device and make sure you're logged into the account that owns or manages the server you want to adjust. Once you're in, select your server from the left-hand sidebar. Next, tap on your server's name at the very top of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your server's management and settings. From here, choose Settings. Inside the server settings, scroll down until you see the Invites option, then tap on it. This section lets you control who can invite new members to your server and manage how communication works between those members. Now, look for the Pause Invite section and tap it. Right underneath, you'll see the Pause DMs toggle option. This is what controls whether new direct messages can be sent between server members. Simply switch that toggle on. When you do this, it instantly pauses the ability for members to send new DMs to others within the server. This doesn't delete old chats, but it prevents any new direct messages from being started. After turning on the Pause DMs option, don't forget to save your changes. This makes sure the update takes effect and applies across your entire server. And that's it. You've successfully disabled new direct messages between members in your Discord server. This small change can make a big difference in maintaining privacy, reducing spam, and creating a safer community environment.